Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise today to honor the life and memory of Pennsylvania State Representative Anthony Melio, who passed away on Thursday afternoon. To his family, friends, and neighbors, he was known simply as Tony, Pop, and Uncle Tony. In the Pennsylvania State Capitol, he was known as a hardworking and honorable state representative. Having served his country in the Naval Reserves and working as one of the first employees in the United States Steel Fairless Works in Bucks County, Tony's story is the story of my hometown of Levittown, Pennsylvania, a town of dignified and hardworking people. Tony Melio was a man who built his political career on bringing the community together with his contagious smile and his warm personality. He embodied the spirit of public service during his time in Harrisburg. As the people's representative from Lower Bucks County, Tony carried out his duties with dignity and perseverance. His commitment to his family and his community were the hallmarks of his service. A man of great faith, Bucks County has lost one of its most well-respected and beloved public servants in Tony Melio. I, like so many, had the privilege of calling Tony a friend and a neighbor, and my thoughts and prayers are with the Melio family in this difficult time. And I thank the United States House of Representatives for stopping to remember this dignified public servant this morning. I yield back.
Gentleman yields back. The chair recognizes